The GPS dashboard will allow you to receive daily, weekly, monthly, or one-time reports for a variety of metrics, like numbers of leaks, average temperature, battery health, and more. To view reports for a property, log into the dashboard, click on the Manage tab, select the property, click on Menu, and then Reports. The page will show the type of report for the property, its recipients, and frequency of reporting for the entire property. The reporting can also be turned off and on by using the toggle switch under Actions. To set up a new report for the property, select Schedule Report on the upper right-hand corner of the page. Fill out the type of report, location, and report name. Under Frequency, select how often you want the report to be sent. Using all devices under Choose Devices will ensure the report is generated for the entire property, or you can select devices for which you want a report. Use Add Recipients to add recipients to the report. Finally, click Save Report when done.